Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove 2006 Mini Cooper door panel. Start by disconnecting the battery and lowering the window. Remove the interior handle trim and any visible screws with a Phillips or Torx driver. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry the panel clips free, working from the bottom edge upward. Keep track of screws and clips in a small container to make reassembly simple and stress-free. Begin by prying off the interior handle trim to reveal hidden fasteners, using a plastic tool to avoid damage. Remove all visible screws from the armrest and the trim area with the matching Phillips or Torx bit. Gently lift the panel a few inches to reach the window switch and speaker connectors, then unplug them by pressing the release tabs. Store removed hardware in a labeled container so nothing gets lost during reassembly. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth offers clear, practical thinking about money and patience, which pairs nicely with slow, careful DIY work on cars. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a copy. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Starting at the bottom of the door, use a trim tool to apply even pressure and pop the retaining clips free without bending the panel. Move along the edge in small steps, alternating sides to gradually release tension and avoid cracking the plastic. When most clips are free, lift the panel slightly to clear the top lip and fold it toward you to access connectors. Keep one hand supporting the panel to prevent damage to the inner moisture barrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.